Good afternoon, Lourdes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Lourdes T. Carlos, 44 years old. I have 2 kids. The eldest is Summer with 7 years old, and then the youngest is 3 years old. It's a boy. I have 4 brothers and I'm the only girl in the family. I finished my study in Bulacan and I graduated as in Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. I'm handling 2 years experience in my work with some children that I've been teaching, and I have my 2 years experience in Taiwan, and as a domestic helper, and I'm handling their taking care of children.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money and to help my parents, and to settle some financial problem with my children.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will you do if the baby cries? If the baby doesn't stop crying, what will you do?
I will check if the diaper is wet, and then I'll see to it if he's hungry, and then if he or he is sick.
Ask you some question. If your prospective employer cannot provide you Sunday off, is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets, dogs, or cat?
No, ma'am.
Are you prepared to follow your rules, employer's rules and regulation?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Very willing, ma'am.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are the qualities of being good domestic helper?
The qualities of a good domestic helper is hardworking, trustworthy, obedience, and to follow all the regulations of my employers, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any message to your prospective employer?
Yes, ma'am. If you will choose me as one of your domestic helper, I will be a good follower, and then I will do my regulations and follow all your work in Hong Kong.
Okay. Thank you.